Hello. On my desk is a Teramaster F4-425 Plus network-attached storage device. This device has a powerful processor, a lot of RAM, several USB ports, two 5 gigabit LAN ports, and an HDMI port. Why don't I try to install Windows 11 on it? Do you think it will work? Let's connect HDMI, Windows 11 installation USB flash, and of course, the power cable. To be able to control the device, let's connect the mini keyboard USB wireless receiver to the front. Okay, let's turn on this beast. Press the DEL button on the keyboard to enter the BIOS. Go to the boot section. Disable the option called TOS boot first. Set the USB installation flash as the first boot device. Save the changes. Next is the standard Windows installation process and settings. For Windows installation, I will use the 500 GB NVMe SSD installed in this NAS device. The installation process is going smoother than I expected. The system reboots several times during the installation. I'll do some more settings. Windows 11 really works on the Teramaster F4-425 Plus network-attached storage device. As I see, there is no network and sound. Let's connect the network cable. We won't need the Windows installation USB flash anymore. The network is working. What about the sound? We'll use a USB sound card. Let's connect it. Look, it looks like we already have sound. What about the screen resolution? It's very low. Let's install the necessary drivers automatically. Great! The video driver has been successfully installed. 2K resolution is supported without any problems. As you can see, there are no driver conflicts. Okay, let's try something more practical. Can we watch YouTube?
Today I'm gonna show you a very impressive device. This is a brand new 4-bay hybrid network storage unit, the new Teramaster F4 10 gigabits port, full-size NVMe slots, each supporting drives up to 8 terabytes capacity.
As you can see, everything works smoothly.
The build quality is excellent.
Let's test this machine with Passmark. In the test, the Teramaster F4-425 Plus scored as an economy class laptop. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. I don't recommend using this device with Windows, but I think it shows the open possibilities of customization and its power.